Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with clean, hydrated skin so correction sits evenly. Apply a light, non-greasy moisturizer and a smoothing primer. This prevents patchiness. Next, pick a true green corrector for red pimples. Tap a tiny amount only on the red center using a small, clean brush or fingertip. Blend the edges gently so the product cancels redness without spreading. Once done, set that zone softly with translucent powder to lock the neutralizer in place. Now you layer foundation thinly to avoid disturbing the green base. Use a damp sponge to press product rather than rubbing. Make sure coverage is even. You want coverage, not plaster. Once foundation is set, apply a concealer matching your skin tone directly over the neutralized spot in a small dot, then press to blend edges. This restores color while preserving the correction. If needed, build one more thin layer rather than a single thick coat to keep texture natural. Finish by lightly dusting translucent powder and spritzing a setting spray to melt layers together. This increases longevity. If you still notice green peeking through, add a tiny dab of skin tone concealer and press it down. Do not swipe, because swiping lifts layers. If things look cakey, pause and mist setting spray, then gently buff with a sponge to soften. Finally, make sure you remove all products fully at night to prevent irritation and pore congestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.